Still here, still sunny, still windy. Let's do bonsai. So here we are with episode 3 of the Grow It Bonsai Kit. As you can see on the front, it says plant, water, grow. It's that simple. Now, we originally started just a single pot, just to save ourselves a little bit. This pot has been in the cold stratification process. It's been sat there and it's not done anything, which we wouldn't expect it to in the stratification process. So that now is going to go into a tent, and we'll just see whether we get anything from that. What we will do while we're here is just mark on when it goes into the tent. We'll just write tent, 1st to the 3rd, 20. So hopefully that will go into the tent, have some nice light, have some nice warmth, and fingers crossed we get some growth out of that one. In episode 2 we set up this little propagator, and we put a pack of seeds in there. We were hoping for something to come out of it. We've had nothing. So I think what we'll do is this needs to go into the cold stratification. So this is going to go up and into the little fridge that we've got. So we'll just put CS, 1st to the 3rd, 20. So that's the Grow It Bonsai Kit. A popular kit, but nothing coming out of it. So cold stratification, that one going into a nice warm tent, and we'll see what we can get. That's it for the Grow It Bonsai Kit episode 3. Hopefully episode 4 will have a bit more about it for the Grow It kit, and we might have something to talk about if things happen with this one that's going into the tent. We'll put this one into the cold stratification, and if I can, I'll just take it out, get it into the tent without, you know, making an episode 4, and just see what either of those two do going forward. So for now, for Let's Do Bonsai and the Grow It Bonsai Trees kit, I'm Scott Winard. See you in the next one.